Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys, teaching my way through the US Top 40. I'm now looking at October instead of September, as it is October 14th, and there's some new songs in the list. One of which I didn't recognise is Dancing in the Flames by The Weeknd. Must be quite a new song, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing you'll find on Google, as always, Ultimate Guitar, if you're looking for the chords. It will show you the song in an easier key. A semitone out though, it's C that it shows you. C, A minor, G and F. That's wrong. You need C sharp to be in the right key, to be in the same key as the original song. Traffic dies while we are racing home. Okay, back to D flat. Melted lights over the open road. This is B flat minor, by the way. Then we go down another tone to G sharp. I hope we make it because I've been chasing another odyssey. That's F sharp. So there's chords again. D flat or C sharp. Let's call it D flat because then this one will be B flat. We're racing home. Melted lights cover the open road. Those same two repeated. And then hope we make it because I've been chasing another odyssey. G sharp to F sharp, or A flat to G flat. Different names for the same chords. Sorry to be confusing. By the way, the intro before that first verse and a repeating motif is this melody. It's mainly those two notes. D flat to C. Anyway, regardless of that little intro line, the verse one, then we go to the chorus. I can't wait to see your face. Same chords. Crash when we're switching lanes. D flat. My love's beyond the pain. B flat to A flat. But if I miss the break, we're dancing in the flames. It's indescribable. D flat. Same chords. Post chorus, we go to that B flat minor. Ooh, yeah. We got an ooh and a yeah. Then we got verse 2, same chords again. D flat, the world can't heal, they say on the radio. When you hear radio, you need to go down to that B flat minor. Oh no, back to D flat, so grab the wheel. Want you to be in control, B flat minor. We're going to go down to A flat. We're dodging headlights and you say hold tight, another odyssey. That's a G flat there. Then we go to the chorus again. I can't wait to see your face. Crash when we're switching lanes. My love's beyond the pain. But if I miss the break, we're dancing in the flames. It's indescribable. That's the chorus again for you. Now, the bridge. Ooh, indescribable. B flat minor to D flat major. Again, ooh, sorry, stay on the D flat. Ooh and ooh, we go down to the B flat. So it's actually just three chords. Ooh, starting on B flat. Ooh, indescribable. D flat. Ooh, ooh, B flat minor. Just three chords for the bridge. A couple of oohs and an indescribable in the middle. Starts on B flat, goes to D flat, back to B flat minor. So we go next to the bridge, which is Everything's Fading. Starts on that A flat major. Everything's fading, we barely made it. Go up to B flat minor. Fire's raging, but you're so beautiful. And A flat, and it's amazing because I can taste it. Our final odyssey. And I've accidentally clicked something, so let me click back onto the chords. My apologies for the brief delay. Where were we? We just played another chorus, I believe. I can't wait to see your face, it's indescribable. That's where we were. And then we go to the post-chorus, which is some more oohs. B flat minor, ooh, indescribable. D flat major. Oh hey. B flat minor, ooh, indescribable. B flat minor to D flat major. Ooh, once more. Indescribable. That's the end of the song. So the chords you only really need D flat major, B flat minor. You can play the 7 if you like. Always works with the minor chords, subtly. Adds nothing much except for a tiny bit of flavour. So you also need A flat major and G flat major. Anything else? No. That's all you need for this song, just those 4 chords. So, as always, thanks for tuning in to Between the Keys. Don't forget to smash that like button because it always helps the channel out. So does clicking subscribe and following along for the next one. And I'll see you in the next one, which I'm not sure what it'll be because I've pretty much finished the US Top 40 for now, except for maybe a couple extra new ones. Just looking through the list, can't really see anything. Maybe Apple by Charlie XCX, gotta give that a listen, and Heartstroke by Khalid. But regardless of those, I'll be doing some new songs on the channel. Coming up, the top hits of Adele, Bruno Mars, and many other famous artists. So stay tuned to Between the Keys, and see you next time.